Today, I'm going to talk about using a teleprompter for your YouTube videos. So when I first started creating YouTube videos, I thought it would be easier to use a teleprompter. So I searched for teleprompters on Amazon and added one to my wish list. It was called Little Prompter. The reason why I wanted this particular teleprompter was because it can be used with your phone, the webcam, and with an actual camera. After sitting in my wish list for over a year, who knew that my sister would actually get me one for Christmas? So basically, this is going to be a review on Little Prompter. Setting up Little Prompter was actually, I'm not going to say it was easy, but it wasn't hard. The instructions are straightforward and it doesn't really take a lot to install it. Well, of course, you'll need a tripod. It only comes with the teleprompter. I film all my videos on a webcam, so I specifically set up the teleprompter for my webcam. So how do you use Little Prompter? The first thing, of course, is you need a script. So write out your script first. Then you need a teleprompter app for your phone. I have a Samsung phone. So the app that I used was called Simple Teleprompter. So this, of course, is an Android app. I don't know if it's also an iPhone app. So all you have to do is copy and paste your script into the app, and then you can just start it. Well, of course, here are the settings that I had it on. The main thing that you have to look out for is mirroring the text, because the teleprompter reflects the text. I'll show you in a second. But once you import your script into Simple Teleprompter, you can just start it. Make sure you're already filming, and then you see the words scroll in front of the camera. Basically, you're reading the script as it scrolls in front of the camera lens. So this is the camera lens right here. So it makes it look like you're actually talking to the camera when you're really reading the words in front of the camera. So what are my thoughts on Little Prompter? Well, I actually thought it was awesome. It actually did a good job. I mean, it's only a teleprompter. It did what it's supposed to do. The only problem I had was the little black bar stick, whatever, that's supposed to hold the actual teleprompter. It kind of stuck out a little, but that didn't really bother me much because I could just edit it out later. I had no issues with Little Prompter. It works and it was easy to use. But will I use it? The answer is probably not. Honestly, I didn't really like using a teleprompter. So, Hanola, Bian, sarangeyo. I'm basically telling my sister sorry and I love her. So for my sister, thanks for supporting me and my YouTube channel, but that teleprompter will probably be collecting dust for a while. Thank you for the rest of my family for supporting me too. I don't want them to feel left out. The reason why I didn't like the teleprompter that much was because I felt like a robot while I was using it. Like while I was reading the words, it was hard for me to, I guess, express my facial expressions. My facial expressions were stiff. There you go. So I really didn't like watching myself when I was editing the videos because I want to show like my true emotions, even though these are just mostly tutorials on how to make videos or how to create videos for YouTube or branding your videos or whatever. I still want to show myself and my personality. So I felt like the teleprompter got in the way of that. Would you use a teleprompter for your YouTube videos? Let me know in the comments down below. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but I did want to say a plus for Little Prompter. I mean, using a teleprompter really does save a lot of time when it comes to filming. Like compared to my filming times without a teleprompter, I think it cut filming down in half because you're just reading the script. So you're not going to forget your words. So it actually saves a lot of time on filming if you wanted to think about using a teleprompter for your videos. I guess maybe I'm not good at multitasking. So like a newscaster or somebody, when they're reading a teleprompter, maybe they can probably show more emotions while they're speaking. But me, on the other hand, maybe I'm not that talented. So just a thought, if you want to save time on filming, a teleprompter is really helpful. Next week, I'm going to be talking about video content ideas. So if you're new to creating videos and you don't know what to talk about, or you just need to brainstorm more content ideas, then check out next week's video, YouTube video ideas for beginners. I don't know what to talk about. So if you want to be notified when that video is uploaded, then go ahead and hit the notification bell. If you want more videos on branding and video content ideas, then check out these 2 videos over here. Until next week, bye.